Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we have iPhone 7 here with iOS 15.7.1. You need to bypass it with full bypass with the signal using iRemove tool. So once here you have to connect the phone and on MacBook. Connect the phone MacBook here, put it down. Now wait for the MacBook screen. Now on my MacBook screen you have to open the iRemove software, iRemove tool software here. You have to open iRemove software. iRemove software will be open and device will start checking the compatibility. Checking the compatibility, and as you can see the device is supported. Here you can see clearly device is being supported. It's been supported, and you have to make the registration for the serial number so you can use the tool. So you can say cancel, and now I'm showing you where you can register this SN number for this tool. Now here we are for the registration for the tool. You have need to open the galaxyunlock.com, and here after you have login, you come to the, you see here, this is the galaxyunlock.com. Come on the dashboard. If you haven't logged in it, you have to log in first. You come in the order now page, IMEI service, and here in group you have to find for the iRemove iOS 15. So you have to search iRemove. Here you can see iRemove iOS 15, and here from the service you have to choose my device is iPhone 7. So you click 7 plus, and then here you have to put the device IMEI number. So let it put the device IMEI number here first. So we have put the serial number here. Make sure you put the correct serial number, so you have to check it very well. And here down you have to place the order. And once we place the order, you see thank you for placing the one order, and you check the order history until the order has been completed. Here you see the order has been pending here, so you have to wait for a few minutes till the order has been complete. You see order has gone in process. Now wait for a few minutes only. This is the instant registration for the iRemove. You can use this site for your other orders. This is good site. I personally using this site, so I believe it is good. And we see the device has already become here in the start. We click start, and here we start preparing the device. So it will ask you to put in the DFU mode to apply the jailbreak, and this is manually processed and will guide you through it. So first you have to enter into the recovery mode and click next when you are ready. So click next, and device will go in the recovery mode. And now device is in recovery mode. Now you have to put it in the DFU mode. So to put it in the DFU mode, you have to hold the volume down and the power button, side button and volume down button, power button, side volume down for the 4 seconds, and then you have to release the power button, but keep holding the volume down button. So click start, hold 2 buttons and release the power button while keeping holding the volume down button until it has gone to the DFU mode. Now you can see device has gone into DFU mode, setting up the exploit. And here in my phone you can see there, you can see originally the iRemove logo. This is for the jailbreaking. Once you have seen this logo, and here you can come back to my computer's Mac screen. You see the device is booting. And here the device has been boot up. You can see the device is power on, and now we are just waiting for this tool to begin. It is uploading the bootstrap, as you can see. And yes, you can see the jailbreak done. Now click close button and then click the start button. So you click the close button, and now you have to click the start button. As you can see, device is in preparing device. Tool is saying it's preparing device. We have to wait for a few minutes. Bypass in process. Wait for a few minutes, not few, only few seconds, I think. As you can see, device has been successfully bypassed. Here is the card. Thanks for being the customer, and we can cancel. As you can see, the device here is booting, has been restarted and booting, and we have to activate the device till to the full menu screen. And here you can see device is fully activated. 15.7.1 has fully bypassed with iRemove tool. So fully bypassed here. You can use the tool you can use the phone as there are no phone. Here you can see it very clear. So hope you guys like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make as many comments. So you can make comments so I can know that what issue you are facing, and I will always reply. Thank you.